It's fall season. If you don't know, fall autumn is my far favorite season. I didn't want to do something that's orangey just yet. I want to do 3-4 looks to do something cranberry. I did a cranberry look here because Versace did a fall makeup look, like top makeup looks, and something stood out to me. It was like a ready cranberry look, so I was like, I can make it a little more deeper, and I came up with this look. Honey, it is giving. With that being said, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nyasha and the Makeup Difference. Welcome to my channel where I do makeup videos, beauty tips, beauty review, and soon lifestyle videos. So if you want to see how I get this beautiful cranberry dark skin friendly look, please stay tuned and carry on watching. Starting off, we are going to be color correcting. So we're using this Fox filter color corrector from Huda Beauty. This is a new product from her, and I was sent this, so I wanted to try this because, you know guys, I was stuck on my LA Girl, and she's got 4 shades. I'll put them on here, and I chose papaya. It's not too orangey. It brightens your under eye. Like, look at the difference, guys. Come on, this is such a good color corrector. So we are ready to start our makeup. As you know, my brows are done already. So today I am going to be doing an underpainting method. I've not done that in a while. You know, I actually think underpainting is the quickest way to do your makeup, especially. And I actually think I should be doing this more. So for concealer, I will be going in with the H&B Cosmetics concealer, and this is very popular on TikTok, and also pairing it with the foundation. These two go so well together. So we'll be using a beauty blender today. I was a bit like, why am I doing this? Because I have not used a beauty blender in a long time. So I felt like, oh my gosh, I'm still a little bit rusty. I've not used it in a long time, this method. But I know that you can get such a flawless finish using a beauty blender. So I started off blending the light part first, which is the concealer, and I used the top part. I only use one beauty blender, and from the bottom part I use to blend the dark part. So it's always good to start with the light before the dark, and then you can just balance it all out. I was shocked, guys. I was like, oh my gosh, I miss how flawless. Obviously I still get the flawless makeup, but I just love the finish the beauty blender gives you, guys. So for blush, I will be going in with the same color corrector in the shade Papaya. I thought, why not use it for blush, because it's so nice. So I used that. I was so shocked as well. So in this video, just look out, because I am using some new makeup, not all, some new makeup, trying out some stuff as well. So I tried to set my under eyes with the beauty blender. I just was not feeling it, so then I went back to my path, and obviously that's my thing. So I seen this foundation powder palette on everywhere on TikTok. I see a lot of Nigerian makeup artists using it, so I thought, let me get one for myself. And it's very convenient for me because I am a makeup artist, so I know it's got pigment. So I'm using the second darker shade as a bronzer, because I don't want to contour too much on this look, and I must say it is super pigmented. So also using the second lighter, actually the third lighter shade, just as my powder foundation, just to go over everywhere on the sides, just to blend everywhere basically. To go with that papaya blush, I'm going in with this orangey coral eyeshadow as a blush on my cheeks, And then I am going to conceal my eyes and also prime them. I'm going to be using this Wedding Wish XL palette from P. Louise, and oh my gosh, I've been wanting this palette for such a long time, and I got it so late after wedding season, but hey, until next year. So I'm going in with a plummy cranberry eyeshadow, and literally this eyeshadow look is such a beginner friendly because I'm only using 2 colors. I'm using a plummy look, and then a bit of an orange is in a transition shade. So that's just the eyeshadow look. There is only 2 colors. Also going with that plummy orange shade at the bottom just to give it a bit of sultriness. I don't want it to be too dark, so I just am blending the edges. So now I am going in with a plummy liner just as my eyeliner because I didn't want to put dark eyeliner like black eyeliner, so I decided to just go with this one, and I'm just blending it, also winging it out. Trying this new lashes I got from Amazon. I've just been wanting some fluffy lashes, and they were so cute, but they turned out to be extra long for me. I didn't really like them. They're too long, but they are nice and fluffy, and they're super light, but they made my eyes like quite, I don't know, like doll like not doll, but kind of like, well, I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I kind of just went with it since I was trying this first out. I like my lashes a little smaller, not too long. They felt a bit funny, but they were actually okay. Using my Vitamin Babe setting spray just to set and melt that makeup together. We're going in with the same eyeliner I used on my eyes just to line my lips. And this is such a beautiful plummy lips, and I like that it's versatile. It's not just for the eyes. And that I'm going in with Salmon lip gloss from Makeup Revolution. This smells so good, like you just want to eat it, but it don't taste good, you know, it just smells good. And I just wanted something quite, you know, pink, and I went over again with some lip liner just to kind of balance it out for definition. So here is the final look, guys. Like, I'm really happy with the way it came out. However, I just did not like the lashes. If you want to know where I got all my products, everything will be in the links below, so you guys can go get them for yourself. So this is the look, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.